Well, today is April the 15th. We've survived a tornado, and now we're going to look at some of the damage. This is my front yard, and this is a giant tree branch that I don't know if it actually came from one of these trees or not. As you can tell, across the street they have half a tree down. And there is Elizabeth's pond where she usually parks. We're going to go look towards the back of the house. We actually have not had a chance to really mow because it's been rainy. And there is our shed with its door swung open and half off. We'll go take a picture of that later. But so far from the looks of it, it appears that the neighborhood is okay. There's another tree going down next door. So I count a total of 3 tree limbs down. Baby Scar's still here though. I thought for sure that'd get blown away. Alright. And that is the damage report as of yet.